For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
It's been over 45 days since Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead at his apartment in Mumbai. Fans have been constantly demanding a CBI probe into the case. While the Maharashtra government is adamant on its decision of not involving the CBI in the case, Bihar Chief Minister has given a thumbs up for a CBI probe, but on a condition. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar said that he would order a CBI probe if the demand comes from the actor's father, KK Singh. In a related development, Sushant Singh Rajput's therapist talked about the actor's mental health. Sushant's therapist, Susan Walker, broke her silence over the actor's mental health and said that the actor was suffering from depression and bipolar disorder. In my capacity as a clinical psychologist and psychotherapist, I met Sushant and Riya on several occasions in November and December 2019 and communicated again with Riya in June of this year. Sushant was suffering from bipolar disorder, a severe mental illness that can be crippling for an individual during an episode, the symptoms of which can include severe anxiety, major depression, and sometimes disordered thinking and paranoia. The continuing appalling stigma around mental illness makes it very difficult for patients and their families to reach out. This has to stop. Mental illness is no different than cancer or diabetes. It can affect anyone, regardless of class, financial status, and so on, in a way that cancer can. With every passing day, more and more people are getting involved in the case. Many of Sushant's close friends and associates have been giving out statements to media. Mumbai police have interrogated over 40 people in the case so far. Now that a special investigation team from Bihar has got involved in the investigation, people are hoping for new revelations and evidence. But reports suggest that Bihar police is not getting any support from the Mumbai police in Mumbai. The special team has been travelling around in autos and taxis to continue their probe. Many are even claiming that the Mumbai police is not allowing the Bihar police to speak to the media. Ankita Lokhande was recently interrogated by the Bihar police. She was apparently asked 30 questions for a few hours, after which the actor offered the cops a drive back to their hotels as the officials had no means of transport. In the latest, Bihar police is keeping a close watch on Riya Chakraborty. Meanwhile, Sushant Singh Rajput's family lawyer slammed Siddharth Pithani for changing his statement. According to SSR's family lawyer Vikas Singh, the actor's flatmate Siddharth Pithani was helping the family with the investigation. But after July 25th, Siddharth has reportedly changed his statements and has been claiming that SSR's family members pressured him to speak against Riya. Well, Sushant Singh Rajput's case is only getting complex with every passing day. It remains to be seen how long the police will take to solve the case. The fans also continue to wait for a CBI probe, which they believe will provide answers.